Good day, everyone. I will tackle the future action in the climate change. So, researchers Stephen Pakala and Robert Socolow and the Preston University have suggested one approach that called stabilization wedges. These wedges could hold emotions at the approximately current levels for the next 50 years, putting us on the potential path to stabilize around 500 ppm. Stabilization switches are strategies that reduce carbon emissions by step. Switches as represent an actions that cuts emissions so that total global emissions stop rising. For example of this, using renewable energy instead of coal for electricity. By replacing coal plants with solar farms, we are reduce the amount of CO as released, helping keep an emissions at current levels. Next, there is also the potential to capture the carbon dioxide emitted from the fossil fuels and store it underground, a process called carbon sequestration. Science is more like a cookbook than a blueprint. It is often for the experimentations, innovations, and refinement. Gitawag nila og carbon sequestration. Carbon sequestration captures a carbon dioxide from the power plants and the stores. It is underground, so this is not enter the atmosphere. For example of this, a coal power plant capturing the carbon dioxide and storing it deep in the rock formations. Instead of releasing the carbon dioxide into the air, the plant drops at the pumps on it underground, so lowering and greenhouse gases pollution. So, greenhouse effect. So, greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect warms Earth because gases in the atmosphere trap heat. For example, carbon dioxide from the cars traps heat and warms the planet. As more carbon dioxide builds up from the vesicles, it holds more heat in the atmosphere, increasing global temperatures. The role of human activities. The role of human activities, like burning of fossil fuels, increase the greenhouse gases that cause global warming. For example, factories the burning coal for the electricity. So, burning coal release the carbon dioxide which is raises atmospheric levels and the contribution to the climate change. Next, solar endurance. Solar endurance is the amount of energy the sun sends to Earth. Change in the sun's energy can affect the climate, but recent warming is not caused by this factor. Example, a slight increase in the solar radiations during the solar cycle. Although the sun's energy changes slightly every 11 years, the change is too small to explain today's rapid warming, showing human influence and the main causes. Next, this action I am to use the renewable energy, switching to clean energy reduce populations. For example, homes and using solar panels. Solar panels create the electricity without burning fuel, so no carbon dioxide is released. Plant more trees. Trees absorb the carbon dioxide and cool the environment. For example of this, a community tree planting project. The planted trees remove carbon dioxide from the air, helping to reduce greenhouse gases. Sustainable transportations using the cleaner transport reduce fuel use and carbon dioxide emissions. For example of this, taking the bus instead of driving a car. One bus replaced many cars, resulting in less fuel burned and lower emissions. Reduce and reuse, recycle, RSM. Ginayus na pud nato diri ato na siya nga nakuan diri. Na apply. But managing twice properly saves resources and lowers population. Example, recycling plastic and bottles. Recycling there prevents new plastic from being reducing an energy use and emissions. Educate and raise awareness. Teaching the people make the climate-friendly choices. For example of this, a school conducting environmental seminars. Yes, this is important to kanang muapil ta sa mga seminars nga about ani sa kanang magkandak ta sa ato ang mga environmental. So, a student learn to reduce twice and conserve the energy, influencing their daily habits. Next, support climate policies. Government and organizations should work together to create and enforce the environmental laws and climate agreements. So, adopt green technology using the modern eco-friendly technologies and decreases emissions. For example, factories using energy efficient and machines. Efficient machines use the less electricity, reducing the fossil fuel use and lowering carbon dioxide emission. Climate change is mainly caused by human activities that increase greenhouse gases. Natural factors cannot explain that rapid warming happening today. To address this problem involves individuals and the communities must take actions using clean energy, reducing twice, planting trees, and supporting environmental policies. Working together will help protect the planet for the future generations.